I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Targaye Nicole. If you're not new, welcome back. On this channel, we do planner related videos, budgeting videos, Etsy new releases, Poshmark challenges on different months sometimes, and a very myriad of different things. If you like any of that, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you like the video content, don't forget to hit that like button down below to let me know. And if you have anything to say, definitely comment down below because I love chatting with you guys. Over here on my channel, we drink our water, eat our fruit, and we mind our business. No drama for your mama, please. Okay, so let's get today's video started, which is one of my favorites, cash stuffing envelopes. So let's jump right in. And remember, if you love the video, sharing is caring. Don't forget to share on all your social media platforms or just with a friend, family, or loved one. Alright, so this is our cash section, and we're going to need the savings section. So I'm just why this paper is out, but we'll put it off to the side for now. You guys know how I do. I empty everything out just to see where we're at. And the laundry is empty, you guys. I did towels and shower curtain and the dang it, what's that called? And the comforters and all that jazz, girl, all that money was gone. So you guys know on my stuffing, I actually unstuff everything as well. Oh, there's my other one. I don't need that one, but it's okay. Bag is empty, and we have some change floating around. So this is the bank teller thing. And no, y'all, I did not forget about it. You guys who want to do this, I was testing out this slimmer size just to make sure the money actually fit with everything. And I think this is going to be the normal size. I like it. It works. So I'll start working on that soon. That's my quick check scratch off. I think I get 99-cent combo. I don't know what that means. In self-care, I have $10 left. Yay. And I got my eyebrows done. They have started itching, you guys. But not as bad as before using the moisturizer. So this $10 will stay in self-care because I still need to get a pedicure soon. As far as gas goes, we have $1 left in gas, and we'll go ahead and take that out. This extra money, you guys know, is just my little gift cards and stuff. Well, if you watch me, you know, those are just gift cards and extra things that I can use for when I don't have money and I want to spend. Hair should have $7 left in it because I deposited the rest of the $13 over into the bank. $5, $6, $7, and that will be for tip because I have a hair appointment for a trim on Tuesday. This envelope is toiletries, and there's nothing in there because I went to Walmart and I got Equate, the eye contact solution, vitamin D, the battery to change for my car alarm, some tissue paper, some chips clearly, and then I had also gotten some paper towel. So like a few toiletries. I did go ahead and make that bulk order, which I will unbox with you guys, but I needed a few things to last me until next Friday coming up when they come out. Groceries, there's nothing in there. That's all done, except for my pay cards, you know, my cards, which I keep in there. And then allowance is empty. ShopRite needs to go back in with groceries. And this is just my Capital One thing, and it says how much I got out, and this is showing you that I did put the $13 in from the hair envelope in there. Then we have our change purse, my little grandma dollar store change purse, so pick up all the excess change that didn't make it in there. Ooh, a quota. And then, I don't know, we'll put this with groceries or food, or allowance, because that would be probably where I'd pull to eat. And this is my money saving envelopes for the challenge. This one has money from the previous week that I know has definitely been deposited and I'm not touching. This is money that I actually took out on the 6th. I taped it. I taped it to remind myself, do not touch this, girl. No. And it should be 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, $100. I'm going to successfully put this in here now because I've made it to the next pay period without having to touch it. I don't want to put it as a deposit until I've made it to the next period without touching it. And so that's $100, and that was taken out originally on the 6th. and we're going to put the other $1,000 challenge money in that one this week. So let's get to the fun part, and we will start the stuffing. So, all right, so get stuffing. So let's take the money out. This is actually a receipt from ShopRite because I did spend money out of my grocery, $37.38. I gave her 38 cents, so pretty much $37. So we should have, I normally give myself 70, so minus 37. We should have 33 going into groceries this for now. If you guys didn't see me do the live eat one, what is that? The live video with my air fryer, I can link it up above. That's where I was buying things for that recipe, as well as some other things that I'll make for the week, this week's meal plan. So let's get the money laid out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 singles. 1, 2, 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10s. My cash, my teller is awesome. Her money's like always in the right order. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, and $100 bill. And I got the bigger bills for the cash challenge because I don't want the envelopes to get too big and ridiculous. All right. So I think everything is pretty much going to get stuffed as normal. So I can just fill this out ahead of time. So our actual is going to be 70, 60, 15, 60, 20, and 20. We're going to actually put those amounts in. And I did take 115 out for the challenge. So let's just stuff now. So groceries is 70. Oh, I'm sorry. Groceries is 33. It was 70. I used it. So 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. 33 left for groceries. Gas gets 60, 20, 40, 50, 60. Gas prices have finally went down some, so I feel okay about leaving it at 60. And I think I actually took some money out of gas for food the other day, so there would have been more left in there. So I do really feel good about it. Laundry is 15. Poor laundry always seems to need more money. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give it, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Let's do it that way. $15 for laundry. Over there in my little coin bag. Ma'am. Oh, I closed it instead of opening. Smart. Allowance gets 70. No, 60, girl. Bye. You wish. 20, 40, 50, 60 for allowance. And I get bi-weekly paycheck, just in case you're not aware. And then toiletries gets 20. Which I just bought bulk. So actually, I'm going to leave this $20 in here and out of my wallet because I don't want to use it. I don't want to accidentally use it. So it's going to stay at home because I should be growing that money almost like a sinking fund for the next time I need an entire batch of toiletries. So the next thing would be self-care, which gets $20. Okay, tape. Now you're being ridiculous. And that will go with the 10 that's in there. So we have 30 now. That should be more than enough to get the toes done. And then we have $115, exactly what we're supposed to have for our savings challenge. 110, 15, and that will go in here. holding for now. I don't think I'll have to use it, but I wait till the prior pay period to put it in as an actual deposit amount over here. But I will put on here, because I'll forget the daggone date, that it was 6/15. Would have been the next deposit. I'm gonna be bold and just put 115. I think I've been really good about not using it, so we'll see. And I'll get some tape and tape that sucker back up again, or a paper clip, because your girl she is not here for the using of the money. Boom. Yep, we're trying to hit that $1,000 in 3 months. But that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me stuff my cash envelopes. I really enjoy these ones. They're super pretty. And, oh, I have an extra $1. Which is, oh, extra $1. I'll just put that in with my savings challenge, won't I? Boom. Now we got 116. All right. 116 in the savings challenge is what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys.